Hey YouTube, in one of my previous videos I talked about the advantages and disadvantages of universal brushed motors. In this video we're going to take a close, high-speed look at one of the disadvantages of this type of motor. Using another angle grinder, I've cut a window into the side of this grinder's case. This will give us a good view at the brushes and the arcing at the brushes in high speed. The severe arcing at the upper brush is caused by two things in this grinder. The first is that the springs that push the brushes against the rotor are not very strong. This has very bad contact and there's a lot of losses through just resistance. The second problem is that there are several shorted windings on the rotor. This means that when those shorted windings get in contact with the brushes, excessive current is drawn and excessive power is dissipated at the contact point between the brushes and the rotor. If you watch carefully, you'll see that the arc is occasionally drawn along the rotor in the direction of rotation. If the arc makes it all the way from one brush to the other, this bypasses the rotor completely. Excessive power is drawn from the wall, and that power is dissipated at the arcing point and along the surface of the rotor. This causes damage to everything in the circuit and will eventually burn out the motor. Being a cheap grinder, this motor is basically disposable. In a motor which costs more or can't be replaced, these problems would be fixed by putting better springs and brushes to make better contact with the rotor, and by rewinding the rotor itself to eliminate the shorts. Check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more high-speed electrical videos and power tool cutaways.